Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and drying the steel Kadai thoroughly. This removes factory oils and debris. Once done, rub a thin layer of a high smoke point oil across the interior to protect metal and aid seasoning. Place the Kadai on medium heat and let it warm for 10-15 minutes so the oil begins to bond with the surface. You'll see the oil shimmer and thin smoke may appear. That's normal. Make sure to ventilate and have a lid or splatter guard ready. Once the first heat cycle cools to touch, wipe away excess oil so only a light film remains. Too much oil creates sticky layers. Repeat the heat and oil process 2 to 3 times, letting the Kadai cool between cycles to build a smooth, polymerized coating. Next, verify the seasoning by doing a small test fry. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil until it glistens, then fry an egg or potato slice. If it releases easily and browns evenly, you finish routine use by rinsing the Kadai with hot water and using a soft scrubber. Avoid abrasive cleaners that strip seasoning. Make sure to dry it completely. Heat briefly on the burner, then apply a light coating of oil to protect against rust. If you ever experience sticking or patchy spots, don't panic. Scrub the blemish, dry, and perform 2 quick oil and heat seasoning cycles. This restores the non-stick layer and prevents recurrent problems, so you can cook confidently every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.